Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I want to do a Valentine's Day look. I had said I was going to do like a really easy Valentine's Day look for you guys because I can go ahead and be like very creative, but I feel like most of you that watch my videos don't do so much creative looks, and you guys are willing to try out something nice and simple and something that the boo would like, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do something simple. This girl in my comment section, I think it was on my Instagram, she said that she wanted me to do like a Euphoria Valentine's look inspired look, but I was like, oh my god, maybe I can add some little jewels here and there, but I'm not sure yet. I shall see how I feel about the look right now. But yeah, my plan is to do like a really soft glam look with a really bold lip and like a kind of like a cat eye to kind of extend the eyes a bit. So that is my plan. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I am going to be going in with my vegan milk moisturizer. I did a little kind of like a little review for the new vegan cleanser. It's like my previous video that I posted. If you guys did not see that, you guys could go ahead and check it out, but I did talk about it. I tried it with you guys for the first time and I told you guys my thoughts. So I am using this to moisturize my face before I put on my makeup. Oh my god, before, when I was like young and stupid, I guess, I would be putting on my makeup, but I would never moisturize. I don't know why I never did. I don't know. I'm so dumb. I should have done that. I don't know why I never did. And I have really dry skin. So, like, I was that kind of person that I would have a makeup on and my skin would just be flaky and it was just disgusting. And my boyfriend was the one that told me, he's like, yeah, you should probably moisturize. So I did, and I listened to him. So next, I am going to go in with my Laura Mercier. I think that's how you say it. Well, I don't know why I can't say that word. I'm going to go in with this foundation primer. This honestly is one of the best primers I have ever tried. I feel like it leaves my foundation looking very, very nice, which I love. I love so much. Don't mind if I'm like red here. I don't know why I get these little red spots sometimes. I just get like little itchy there sometimes, and I don't know why. But I mean, it goes away, but I don't know why it just keeps happening to me. Anyways, next, the foundation that I'm going to be using is going to be this Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I love it because it does give me like that luminous look that I'm looking for. And lately, I have been using a foundation brush to put my foundation. Ever since I tried that video, I don't know if you guys have seen it, the one that I do my makeup like the movies. I'll link it up here for you guys so you guys can check it out. I just love the way my skin looked, and it looked very natural. So lately I have been going a little less on my foundation. So I get this Milk makeup foundation brush. Honestly, I'm really picky when it comes to foundation brushes because I tend to always feel like it leaves it streaky. But something about this brush doesn't do that, and I love it. So we're gonna go in with this and just kind of put some onto the back of the hand. And it just kind of goes little by little. Do you see? I didn't even put that much, very little, and I just kind of blend that all over, buff it all out, and just do this. What are you guys' thoughts on Valentine's Day? If you guys are watching this, it's because maybe you guys are going to go on a date. My day is going to consist of taking care of little kids. I have to take care of one 6-month-old baby, another 1 year and 4 or 5 months, and then later on, like around 1:45 or like 2, I had to take care of a 6-year-old, and then after that, like around like 2:30, I have to take care of my nephew, and he comes at 2:30. And he's a little hard because since he has autism, he's a little bit more like maintenance, like that you have to kind of like keep an eye on. So yeah, I have a lot of going on Friday on Valentine's Day because my mom is selling flowers for Valentine's Day, so I'm helping her with the kids. That is my plan. After that, we might go eat out to Jen's barbecue, Korean barbecue. I don't know if you guys have tried that. Let me know in the comments below. I have never tried it. I've always wanted to try it, but never did, and I'm kind of excited if we're able to go because I know these kind of places get packed. Next, I am going to be going in with my Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. This is in the shade 4NN. My foundation was in the shade 315N. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and place this under my eye. I hate that. I remember when I was young, I hated the fact that I had this. I feel like it made me look like a frog. I don't know why I have those thoughts. Or even like a chihuahua. I'm like, ew, I have really bad under eyes and I hated it so much. Now I'm like not as concerned how I used to be. I feel like I was super insecure about it. I don't know why, but it happens. You're a child. You don't know these things. You're just so insecure because you're like, oh my god, why is everyone so pretty and not me? Which I certainly stopped, because now that I do makeup, I feel like, oh my god, my eyes pretty big enough to do like certain things to it, which I am very happy about. I'm even trying to blend this out with a foundation brush, because I was like, you know what, beauty blenders soak a lot of the product sometimes, and I noticed that. I just can't. I just want to do something different. I feel like I need to try something different. And I have a little fuzzy on my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know why I can't say that. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes, and just make sure you lock them creases, because I get a lot of that. I hate it that I do, but I do. Let me know in the comments below what are gonna be your plans for Valentine's Day, if you have any, and if you don't, then it is okay. I remember when I was young, I used to be always upset because I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to be alone for Valentine's Day. But weirdly enough, like, I feel like social media makes us feel like that. I feel like if we're not in social media, then you wouldn't really care, because believe me, like, the only reason we feel like that is that we see on social media, like, oh my god, like, these girls got flowers, or people post like what they got, and you're like, why didn't I get anything, or just like stuff like that. And I feel like the more you kind of like not think of it like that, the less you're gonna get hurt. So just really think about it. Like, people only post what you want them to see, because who knows, they might get Valentine's Day gifts and like their relationship is crap. Because if that happens, I've seen it happen. And just letting you know, don't be upset if you guys don't do anything. If anything, just always make sure it's just one day. You guys will get over it. Like, it's nothing too bad. So you guys are fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine, guys. So I did my brows off camera because I'm doing that Benefit brow search, and I really wanted to focus on my brows. So I kind of did like a straight brow coin on, but it's a little hard to do those. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go in now with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I actually really like this bronzer. I feel like it's really pretty, and I love the way it kind of like really does bronze my face up. So we're gonna be using this to bronze the face a little bit more, since I feel like it looks a little bit plain. We're gonna go ahead and just bronze this up more. I'm gonna be only bronzing under my cheeks a little bit, and then on the temples and the forehead. I'm honestly kind of scared to see if I even get into the Benefit brow search, because it's gonna be a big opportunity, and we're gonna have to fly out to Arizona if they pick the top 20. And I'm actually really scared to fly by myself. I have never gone out of like by myself. Like, I've gone to Mexico, but I went with my boyfriend, and I was literally scared because I was like tripping out on the way over there, because I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to get in a plane. But I got used to it. But at least I had him. This time I won't have anybody, and I'm scared. But I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna let that get to me. I am a 25-year-old lady, and I got this. There's no way I cannot have this. Like, I have to get this, you know. So right now what you're seeing me do is I'm gonna go ahead and bronze a little bit of my nose, because I don't want to be like too like IG contour, you know. I want to be myself, and I like to do that to my nose. I am going to be using this Urban Decay. I love this threesome palette. It's so good. I don't know why it's not opening. Why is this hard to open? I never had trouble opening this. Is it because my hands are a little slippery? Got it. And we're gonna be using this blush right here. I think it's like a really nice pink blush, and we're gonna be adding this a little bit to the contour side, like on top of the contour, and just kind of to the temple. I really love kind of bringing that up here. I feel like it lifts my face a bit more, and I just love the look of it. So we're gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of blush here. Okay, so next I am gonna go ahead and set my face, because I feel like once I focus on my eyes, I want my face to kind of be set very good. Lately I have been doing that ever since I do my face first. I really do like setting it, because I feel like once I'm done, if I don't set it, I feel like once I'm done with my eyes, I feel like my skin starts setting in, and I kind of start messing it up a bit more. I don't know what it is, but I really like setting it before I do my makeup on my eyes. And I'm using this Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, which I love. It's one of my favorites. I really do love it. And I feel like once you set your face with that, I feel like your makeup starts transforming into something else, and it looks better. You guys might not see the difference, but I feel like once I set my face, I feel like my skin looks like more hydrated. There's something about it, you know, it just does. Okay, since I'm gonna do something more natural, I'm not gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer because it's kind of white and I don't want that to like come out white. So I'm gonna be going in with this Urban Decay primer potion, and we're gonna be adding this to the eye, and it's like more of a natural color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's more natural. It's nice to just put this all over the lid and just make sure you put like, you know, any colors you want. But like, I feel like anytime that you're going in with a vibrant color, this one's your like go-to. But other than that, I feel like this one does really nice, and you could even go with just concealer. You don't need this. You can do concealer, so don't worry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. I feel like this palette is perfect because it does have like those natural colors that I'm looking for, but it also have those little pinks. I kind of want to use Wasted like on my lid, but I am not sure yet. I'll let you guys know. So first I am going to be going in with OG, which is this one right here, and we're going to be using this all over the kind of crease area, but kind of buffing it out slowly. We don't want to go too heavy on it because we're trying to do like a really nice soft look somehow with a wing liner. So we're gonna slowly just kind of add this to the crease, outer corner and inner corner. But like, these shadows are so pigmented, so you have to be careful. As you can tell, like, it is pigmented, so I mean, just be careful when you do use this. So we're slowly just blending this all over. Just want to make sure that you're blending very nicely this, because you guys want to make sure that this is very seamless and not too rough, because the whole point of this look is supposed to be kind of soft and nice, nothing too crazy. Because I'm going to go in with this, and my plan is to kind of go in with like a really light color of a lid, and then kind of put a wing liner to kind of extend the eye a bit more. And I'm going to be doing the same thing on this eye and make sure that I am having those edges very blended and very seamlessly, kind of blending out to your like temple, and make sure that it looks very nice there. And now with OG, we're going to be grabbing this with a pencil brush, and we're going to be adding this to the outer corner and just making sure that we connect this to the outer corner right here on top. And like that, it's going to help you kind of extend your eye and making sure that it's looking longer upwards instead of round, because I tend to have a really rounded eye, so I want to make sure I do that. We're going to be doing this on both sides with the same brush that you were using to blend, which is like a fluffy brush. We're going to be using that just to make sure that we blend the bottom as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab Wasted, which is this pink one right here. It looks like this. It's very plain, like simple. We're going to be using this, and we're going to be adding this to, wow, that has a lot of fallout, just letting you guys know. I've never really used that shade. So we're gonna go ahead and just tap this onto the lid and make sure that it's gonna be very well blended. But first we're just gonna go ahead and tap it in there. So it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look a tad bit harsh first, but then when we blend it out, it's gonna look nicer. Go ahead and just do this, make sure that we blend that out. You can use you could even use like a really light brown shade. It doesn't have to be this specific shade. If you guys want to go in with the darker pink, you guys can. I'm just trying to do like a really nice soft look for Valentine's Day, just in case there's girls that don't really like doing like that crazy makeup. I know it's very in, but I really like this look too as well. And with that same shade Wasted, we're gonna be grabbing that and adding that a little bit to the brow bone, just a little bit, just so we can have like that nice highlighted brow bone. It's the same shade Wasted, the same one. We're gonna be using that to add it to the inner corner and just brighten up the inner corner as well. You guys can go in with like a highlighter, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I really like the whole matte inner corner because I feel like it just looks really nice. And this one has a little bit of it, like an iridescence to it. Iridescence, I don't know how I'm saying it, but you know what I mean. Now I'm going to be going in with my House Laboratories eyeliner in Punk. And we're going to be adding that wing liner. This is going to be like a really small but kind of like elongated wing. I'm not going to do it thick. Normally I go really thick on my eyeliner, but I'm going to try my hardest not to because I tend to do that and I really don't want to. So we're going to go ahead and just do a little wing. Make sure that we elongate it a little bit. I always like to start down here. See, that's already too thick for me, but I'll fix it. Okay, so this is how my eyeliner ended up coming out. I had to fix it a little bit because I was having a little trouble. I tend to go really thick, and I was really trying not to go thick, and I did a little bit. So now we're gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna be using my Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I love this mascara so much. And we're gonna be coating our lashes just to have them ready for some lashes that I can put on. Okay, and for my lashes, I'm going to be using the House of Lashes in the style Iconic. I think these are really, really pretty, so I really want to try these on today. I'm going to be putting these off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Lime Crime Velveteen Lip Liner in the shade Poison. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon in the shade Own Your Empire, which is number 50. And I love this. I feel like it's super comfortable, and I feel like you guys can get this at the drugstore, so it's gonna be easy to get. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this all over. I'm trying to talk when I put it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lips. I absolutely love this color red. It is so pretty. I recommend this, and I feel like my lips feel very moisturized, and I really, really like that, especially with the red lip, because it's like with the red lip you kind of want it to kind of stay for a while, and I really, really do love the way this makeup is looking, and I am so happy. The last thing is going to be highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face again. I know I just set my face a lot with this setting spray, but I love it. Gonna go ahead and fan, and now that my face is kind of like done, I am so excited to put this highlighter because I love this highlighter. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below about this look. I really, really love the way it came out. It came out the way I wanted it to. Really soft glam on the eyes, but very bold on the lips, and that's what I wanted, because I feel like that's a lot of girls kind of like that look. And you know what, we're gonna give it to you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight now, and I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi highlighter because it is so good. We're gonna go ahead and highlight the cheeks right over here. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Would you guys wear this out on a date, on a Valentine's date? I don't know. I don't even have those Valentine's days because honestly I don't have that many friends to have those kind of things with. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys finished all the way to the end, make sure you give my video a thumbs up if you guys love the video, and make sure you comment down below your thoughts to let me know that you guys finished the video all the way through. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It will mean a lot for me if you guys join my little family. I love you guys so much because you guys are actually watching my videos, and that really means a lot because it takes me a hard time to do these videos, especially now since I take care of a baby. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and if you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there, always posting there. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.